Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable ANC or transparency mode in your NOTHING Headphone A model using controls. You can actually do that using the roller. So our roller is here, and with this button we can actually do everything. Increase the volume level, but if you click and hold, you can change it to the ANC, transparency mode, and everything. Actually here is reversed actually, but now it's ANC, and now we have here transparency. So you should hear a tone while doing so, maybe not a tone but some sound effect, so you will notice that. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.